Every day, millions of tons of potatoes are consumed around the world. From a familiar agricultural crop, potatoes have become the ingredient behind countless products. Among them, potato chips, which are a popular choice in virtually every country. Their savory flavor, signature crunch, and the satisfying feeling of biting into a crisp slice make them a go-to snack in all kinds of everyday moments, while relaxing, watching a movie, waiting around, or simply when you need something quick to eat. However, behind that convenience lies a large-scale production system that not everyone really knows about. From selecting the right potato varieties, monitoring soil quality, determining the best harvest time, to sorting and storage, every step is standardized to make sure each potato meets strict requirements before it ever reaches the processing line. This is why the taste and crunchiness remain consistent in every bag of chips, even when they're produced in different countries. What's notable is that not only the raw ingredients, but also the technologies behind them are constantly improving. Ultra-fast slicing, precisely calculated thickness, frying processes regulated by stable temperatures, and fully automated seasoning and packaging, all of these come together to create a product people can enjoy immediately without worrying about changes in quality. The popularity of potato chips comes not only from their flavor, but also from how the food industry has optimized the journey of a potato, from the field to the consumer's hands. This journey has helped shape the snacking habits of millions of people worldwide, regardless of age or lifestyle. And when we open a bag of chips and hear that familiar crackle, few of us think about the chain of carefully calculated and controlled steps behind each crispy slice. In today's video, join me as we explore the full production journey of potato chips, from raw materials and processing technology to the final quality standards. Through this, we'll see how such a small product can give rise to an entire global industry. When harvest season arrives, the entire potato growing area is reassessed to determine the maturity level of the tubers. Factors such as firmness, size, starch content, and skin condition are all checked to ensure the plants have reached the proper stage for harvesting. Only when these indicators fall within the approved range does the collection process officially begin. A synchronized harvesting system is then put into operation to maximize speed and minimize losses. The machine's plow blades and separating tines dig deep into the soil, lifting the whole plant and its potatoes to the surface. Immediately afterward, a vibrating mechanism shakes off the surrounding soil, exposing the tubers. Thanks to this system, most of the dirt is removed early on, making the downstream processing stages much more efficient. Once the potatoes move onto the machine's conveyor system, the initial sorting begins. Tubers with visible external damage, such as large chips, severe deformities, or signs of disease, are removed right away. Foreign objects like stones, roots, and large clumps of soil are also separated using vibrating filters and mechanical dividers. The goal at this stage is to ensure that only intact, acceptable potatoes move forward to the next steps. At the machine's output section, workers continue inspecting the potatoes manually for higher accuracy. They remove tubers that are too small, too large, or not aligned with the plant's required standards. Human inspection helps catch issues the machines may miss, such as minor surface defects, early signs of rot, or subtle shape irregularities. Potatoes that pass all inspections are transferred into large storage bins placed on transport vehicles. During this phase, minimizing impact is crucial because potatoes are highly susceptible to mechanical damage. Producers typically use soft contact surfaces and slightly angled conveyors to reduce force. Even a small bruise on the potato's skin can affect its quality during processing. Once the vehicle is full, the entire load is transported to a collection point or directly to the factory. Before leaving the field, technicians may also record additional data such as soil moisture levels, weather conditions, and total yield to prepare for subsequent harvest batches. This information helps assess the season's performance and supports planning for future planting cycles. After being collected and preliminarily sorted in the field, the potatoes are loaded directly onto specialized transport vehicles. These trucks typically feature wide, well-ventilated storage bins designed to minimize shaking and reduce impact, keeping the tubers intact before processing. The bin surfaces are lined with soft materials or equipped with shock-absorbing mechanisms to limit mechanical damage. The travel time from the fields to the factory is carefully planned to be as short as possible. This is crucial because potato freshness directly affects the final product's quality. Once harvested, potatoes begin to lose their natural moisture over time, so reducing distance and transport time helps minimize dehydration and maintain the internal starch structure. Throughout transportation, ambient temperature is monitored to prevent harmful conditions such as excessive heat or cold. In many regions, the transport vehicles are also equipped with active ventilation systems to ensure proper airflow and prevent moisture buildup, which can cause the potatoes to soften or develop mold. As the truck approaches the processing facility, the plant's inspection team prepares to receive the shipment. Each batch is recorded with its identification code, origin, harvest time, and departure time from the field to match against the facility's quality control procedures. This data ensures that every batch is processed on schedule and doesn't sit for too long before entering the preparation line. Upon reaching the raw material intake area, the potatoes are unloaded into hoppers or onto the initial conveyor systems. From there, they continue to the washing, sorting, and detailed inspection stages before entering the main processing line. Fast, stable, and controlled transportation is a critical step in preserving the potatoes' freshness, natural moisture, and overall quality before production begins. When the transport trucks arrive at the raw material intake area, the potatoes are transferred into the feed hopper system. Here, the flow rate is carefully controlled to prevent clogging or breakage. The hopper is typically designed with scratch-resistant surfaces and an appropriate slope to help the potatoes move smoothly onto the initial conveyor belt. As soon as they enter the processing line, the removal of foreign materials begins. Vibrating screens and mechanical separators remove any remaining soil, stones, dry branches, leaves, or other debris left over from harvesting. Many facilities also incorporate air sorting systems to eliminate lightweight contaminants, ensuring the potatoes meet a basic level of cleanliness before size grading. Once impurities are removed, the size sorting stage takes place. This system uses filtering channels, rotating screens, or sensors to measure the diameter and length of each potato. Potatoes that meet the required size specifications are directed to the main raw material group used for chip production. Those that are too small, too large, or non-standard are separated and diverted for other purposes, such as starch processing or secondary products. In addition to size, many factories also check the weight and uniformity of each batch. Optical sensors or industrial cameras can detect potatoes that are damaged, discolored, or showing early signs of spoilage. These are removed before the washing and peeling stages to ensure only high-quality raw materials move forward. Thorough sorting at this early stage allows the factory to maintain consistency in the final potato slices. Uniform size ensures stable frying conditions, consistent crispness, proper cooking time, and even flavor absorption in the final product. This is why the intake sorting process is always performed with high precision and plays a major role in determining the overall quality of the entire production batch. After completing the size and quality grading stage, the potatoes move into a multi-stage washing process. In the first phase, high-pressure spray nozzles operate continuously to remove any remaining soil from the surface. The water pressure is adjusted to be strong enough to clean effectively without damaging the tuber's structure. Dirt, plant residue, and small soil particles are almost completely washed away. Next, the potatoes enter a rotating drum with a lightly textured surface. The drum rotates evenly, creating just enough friction to scrub the outer skin without affecting the potato's weight or shape. This step removes contaminants that the high-pressure spray may have missed, ensuring the potatoes reach the peeling stage in their cleanest possible state. Once cleaning is complete, the potatoes are transferred to an automatic peeling system. Modern peelers use rotating blades or uniform abrasive mechanisms to remove the skin quickly while minimizing raw material loss. The rotation speed and contact pressure are adjusted according to the size of the tubers, helping to limit the amount of flesh removed during peeling. Immediately after peeling, the potatoes are fed directly into the slicing machine. This equipment operates at high speed with sharp, stable blades, producing slices only a few millimeters thick. The thickness is kept consistent to ensure uniformity throughout the entire production batch. Precision in slicing is crucial. It determines how evenly the chips cook, how crispy they become, and their final color after frying. Finally, the freshly cut potato slices move on to the next stage of the processing line in preparation for thermal treatment. Multi-stage washing, precise peeling, and uniform slicing ensure that the raw materials meet high standards, laying the groundwork for consistent quality in the final product. After being evenly sliced, the potatoes are placed directly into a cold water soaking system. The main purpose of this step is to reduce the amount of free starch on the surface of the slices. If excess starch isn't removed, the slices can stick together during frying and affect the final product's color. The water temperature in the tank is carefully controlled, kept low to prevent any changes in the slice structure and to improve the efficiency of starch removal. Throughout the soaking process, the water is continuously circulated by a strong pumping system to wash away the released starch. Some production lines also use gentle agitation to ensure every surface of each slice makes even contact with the water, allowing for consistent cleaning. The soaking time is calculated based on slice thickness and potato variety, striking a balance between removing starch and preserving the signature crispiness after frying. After soaking, the slices move through a rinsing system with moderate water pressure. The evenly distributed spray nozzles help remove any remaining starch from the surface. At this stage, controlling water flow and spray pressure is crucial to avoid breaking or cracking the thin slices. As the slices travel on the rinsing conveyor, automated sensors continuously measure their thickness, size, and surface condition. Any slices that fail to meet uniformity standards or show signs of cracking or chipping are removed. Optical systems and image processing algorithms ensure continuous inspection without interrupting production flow. Once starch removal and inspection are complete, the slices are ready for the draining stage and the preparation process leading into frying. Careful control during this phase ensures a consistent golden color, optimal crispiness, and proper separation of each slice in the final product. After completing the starch removal and surface drying stages, the potato slices move directly into the frying system. This is the most critical phase of the entire potato chip production line, as the temperature and duration of heat treatment directly determine the final color, crispiness, and flavor of the product. The oil in the fryer is heated to a stable, standardized temperature range, set specifically for each potato variety. This temperature is regulated by sensors and a central control unit to ensure there are no major fluctuations. When the slices enter the hot oil, their surfaces react immediately to the heat. The moisture inside the potatoes rapidly evaporates, allowing the outer structure to firm up and dry. This process happens within a very short time, and each slice reaches the desired crispiness during a continuous frying cycle. Industrial fryers are designed to guide each slice evenly along the oil flow, helping them maintain their shape and preventing them from sticking together. The oil circulates in a controlled pattern to ensure every part of each slice receives uniform heat exposure, resulting in a consistent golden color and the signature crunchy texture. A built-in oil filtration system runs alongside the frying process, continuously removing small potato crumbs or residues created during frying. This helps maintain the oil's quality, preventing darkening or burnt sediments that could affect the chip's color and taste. Once frying is complete, the slices pass through an oil removal system, typically using centrifugal force or strong air jets to reduce the amount of surface oil. The goal is to lower the final oil content while preserving crispiness throughout storage. Immediately after frying and de-oiling, the chips move on to the seasoning stage. The slices enter an angled rotating drum, where the rotation speed and angle are precisely calibrated to ensure even coverage. Seasonings such as salt, cheese powder, seaweed, or other flavor blends are dispensed in pre-measured amounts. Each seasoning formula has its own standardized ratio, balanced for saltiness, adhesion, and particle characteristics. As the drum rotates, the slices tumble continuously in a circular motion. The combination of rotation and drum design allows the seasoning to adhere firmly to the surface without breaking the delicate chips. The automated seasoning system monitors the amount being dispensed and adjusts immediately if it detects any deviation from the preset standard. By the end of this cycle, every chip is evenly coated, showing consistent color and seasoning distribution. The seasoning stage is a key factor that differentiates product lines and ensures stable flavor profiles across every production batch. After the seasoning stage is completed, the potato chips are transferred directly to the automated packaging system. Here, precision dosing equipment measures the exact amount of chips for each package. This weighing system is programmed to ensure every bag meets the standard weight, minimizing any deviation. Once the correct weight is reached, the chips are released into a funnel at the exact moment the packaging machine opens a bag beneath it. The bags are held in place by automatic clamps, and the chips are dropped quickly to prevent clogging or breakage. As soon as the chips enter the bag, a nitrogen flushing system replaces the air inside. Filling the bag with nitrogen reduces oxygen levels, helping maintain crispiness, slow down oil oxidation, and preserve product quality throughout storage. The top of the bag then moves through a heat sealing unit. The sealing bar closes the bag in just a moment, producing a strong, airtight seal with no leakage. Right after sealing, the bag passes through the date printing station. The production date, expiration date, and traceability codes are printed directly on the bag surface or along the edge, depending on the factory's standards. These details help track each production batch and support quality control during distribution. Once the bags are fully sealed and labeled, the conveyor moves them to the collection area for carton packing. Industrial robots sort and place the bags into cartons at a consistent speed. The robotic arms are programmed to position each bag correctly, ensuring they aren't bent, creased, or compressed in ways that could break the chips inside. When a carton reaches its designated count, the robot automatically folds the flaps and seals the box with tape or hot glue. The finished cartons are then stacked onto pallets by another robotic system, following a layout optimized for stability and space efficiency. Each layer is precisely aligned to ensure structural strength during transport. Once a pallet is completed, a forklift moves it to the shipping area. Many factories use cold rooms or refrigerated trucks to maintain stable temperatures, helping preserve product quality during long-distance deliveries. The pallets are then loaded onto specialized transport trucks for distribution to central warehouses, supermarkets, and retail stores. The entire packaging and handling process is fully automated to ensure speed, accuracy, and consistency across every production batch. When the products leave the distribution warehouse and arrive at supermarkets, the stocking process begins right at the display area. Staff members sort the items by product line, flavor, and package weight before arranging them on shelves so customers can easily see and choose. Factors such as visibility, shelf height, and each product's sales volume are considered to optimize display placement. Expiration dates are also checked to ensure the first-in, first-out rule is applied. When consumers reach this section, they can easily identify different brands and flavors based on packaging colors and grouped arrangements. Organized displays help reduce search time and make the selection process more convenient. After choosing their product, shoppers place the chip bags into their basket and head to checkout. There, the barcode is scanned to record the price and product information, completing the purchase. Once customers leave the supermarket and bring the product home, they can enjoy it immediately without any preparation. The convenience of opening the bag and eating straight away makes potato chips suitable for many occasions. Family activities, gatherings, movie nights, or simply as a quick snack. Elements like crispiness, flavor, and consistency across each slice are the result of the entire production process, from farming to processing and packaging. The at-home experience is the moment when the product is evaluated directly through taste, satisfaction, and overall quality. This is also the final touch point in the product's journey before it is fully consumed. Even though the manufacturing process involves many technical steps and strict quality controls, the ultimate goal remains the same: to deliver a reliable, accessible product that consumers can enjoy with ease. To produce a familiar bag of potato chips, the journey begins with the farmers who work the fields every day. They plant, monitor each growth stage, and harvest at the right moment to ensure the potatoes reach their best quality. Behind every harvest is tremendous effort, patience, and the ability to adapt to weather, soil conditions, and production challenges. From these potatoes, humans continue to apply creativity and technological progress in food processing. Modern production lines, automated systems, and rigorous quality standards. Every step, washing, slicing, frying, seasoning, and packaging, is the result of expertise and continuous innovation to create a product that is consistent, safe, and enjoyable. Understanding this entire process helps us realize that a bag of chips is far more than a simple snack. It represents the combined contributions of hard work in the fields and advanced technology in the factory. It embodies the efforts of many people, from farmers to engineers, factory workers, and distribution teams, all working together to deliver a product enjoyed by millions around the world. And it is this journey that helps us appreciate the value of things that may seem ordinary. A small snack that embodies human dedication, creativity, and pride.